Couple clutch on it, yeah.
Country hot music.
Couple clutch on anything them go for. Couple clutch on anything.
What's up, guys? I don't know if I girl Steffi Boo, and I'm here to tell you how I put on my strip lashes. Just a small tutorial, not big. Oh, I put on my strip lashes, them and so right here, so I have one little cheap lash to buy. I basically put on the glue already, cause yeah, I put on the glue already, and we did wait for it for dry. So I can't use that. So I'm gonna draw for the mirror, and all you have to do is line it in with your eyelash on the top, line it in, and look. When I put it on, you look if it looking at the mirror, you look if it feel comfortable to you, if it they in the right spot. Then if when you blink, you make sure so you don't feel it by your nose, and then you put in there. Yeah. So right now this is alright for me. As in I'm gonna give you up close look. Yeah. I'm not gonna clamp it down yet because I'm gonna go to the next one. So I'm basically gonna show you what I do. I get a tweezer, look at tweezer like this. Basically you can use any kind of tweezer, but I'm gonna use that one here. You take the back of the tweezer, you dip up some of the glue. Oh, and guys, this is the glue when me use. I don't know what nobody else use, but I tell you when me use. You put the glue on the back of the eyelash. You coat it to how you want it. You coat it to how you want it. And guys, I'm gonna tell you, nobody never teach me how to put on lash. You see me? Nobody never teach me. Me just sit down in front of the mirror and study for myself until me learn how to put it on. You see me? I sit down and learn how to put it on. Your left eye will always be the hardest part to do. Your left side are the hardest part to do. But I don't know me a pro, so I know how to put on it. So I make it dry. Yeah, I make it dry. So I do the same thing as I do over the next side. As I'm telling you guys, the left side are always the hardest part for put on, but I don't know. Pan yourself, your left side will always be the hardest part to put on. But you just take your time and do what you have to do. Just take time, put it on, set it up, and enjoy yourself. Put on good. You see me? Yeah. And you make it dry a little. You see me? You have to make them dry a little. Yeah. When it dry, what me always do, me use the onion. Excuse the glue, me use it on the lash. Me use the onion, put it under my eye like this. Look down, use the onion and clamp it on. So you know say it nah no move and move. Clamp it down. You see? Easy as peasy. So you do the next side and you clamp it down. See there? And no glue residue. And you're good to go. So that was it, look. I'm not professional, but I'm just show you an example of how I do it. Now it's my ear guys and now it's my clothes. So that's it. But yeah, that is how I put on my eyelash. These are the two simple tools for me use to put on my eyelash. Yeah guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Follow my Instagram account, tell a friend to tell a friend to come and check out that girl Steffi on YouTube. Yeah. Bye.